Hi guys, this is Jen. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to edit the sidebar menu, how to use it. So let's click this one. It usually appears on a mobile version if you notice. Let me show you. Click this, and right there. Okay, so click that sidebar menu and let's edit the primary menu. Click this. And we will be redirected to this page, the navigation page. And as you can see here, I already made a contact us page, but I'm gonna teach you how to do it. So let me remove this first. Alright, I'll save this for a while. And okay, first you need to go to pages, click this. And then, so as you can see, I already made a page, but I'll do a demo on how I did this. Click add page, and then write contact us. This is what's going to appear in navigation bar on our website. And as you can see at the bottom right, a template suffix. Just click this and choose page.contact. Really simple. And don't forget to click save. Alright, let's go back to navigation. And let's choose main menu. Alright, and let's add the page. You can write anything here, but I'll just write contact us. And then I'll link pages and then the contact us page that we made. And click add. That's it. We finally have our own contact us page. Let's just save this and close this one. And there we go. So now you know how to add a page if in case you need to add more. Right, so for the footer, I'm just gonna teach you that later in the next tutorials. We'll get there. Let's explore this. Alright, so this is our contact us page. It's really simple and elegant, created by the Shopify itself for us. Next thing, click header. We're gonna edit our own logo or upload, click this. If you already have your own logo, just click upload an image, but if you want to know how, just click the videos below. As you can see, alright, I have my own logo, so I'll just upload it. Let me find it for a while. Okay, it's not there. I'll just open it here instead. I just downloaded it. Right. Okay. I'm just gonna drag it here, and there you go. My sample logo. And let's click select. So let's modify this thing. So it's just right here to change the size and the width of it. Let's say 125. It's too little. So just feel free to explore this, guys, till your logo looks better on your website, okay? And there we go. So this is the announcement bar. You can just change it here. Or if you don't want it to show, just click it here, right there. Alright, what else? If you want to link your announcement to some product, you can just click this. Let's change it. Like for example, shoes 50% off or something like that. It's just up to you guys of what kind of announcement you want to make and to which page or to a product you want it to link with, okay? Just feel free to explore and get more familiar with it. Alright, so that's it. There's our logo, and explore the announcement bar. So in the next tutorial, oh, don't forget to click save. That's really important. So in the next tutorial, guys, I'm going to teach you how to put pictures, or like our web banner right there in the center. Right now it's still empty. It's right there in slideshow. Alright, so don't forget to subscribe so you can follow me along to the next video, alright? And get notified. See you at the next tutorial. Bye!